How to compare two versions of document in Microsoft Word. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use Microsoft Word built-in compare feature to easily spot edits, revisions, and formatting differences. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft Word and go to the Review tab at the top. Here you will find the Compare button. Click on it, then select Compare Documents. From the drop menu, now a window will pop up asking you to choose two documents. The first one is your original document. This is the version before any changes were made. The second is your revised document, the updated file with edits. Select both files, then click OK to proceed. After clicking OK, Microsoft Word will display a comparison. Here is what you will see. In the center, the compare document highlights all differences, such as added or deleted text. On the left, the revisions pane lists every change detected. On the right, you will see both the original and revised documents for reference. Now you can review each change and decide whether to accept or reject it. Simply click on Change and in the Review tab, select either Accept to keep it or Reject to remove it. You can do this for individual changes or accept all at once. Once you have finished reviewing, don't forget to save your work. Click on File, then Save As to create a new version of the compared document while keeping the originals intact, and that's it. Now you know how to compare two versions of a Word document like a Pro. If this tutorial was helpful, be sure to check out more guides on Microsoft Word features. Thanks for watching.